How to enable or disable keyboard character preview on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on general management. So after click on general management, click on Samsung keyboard settings. So after click on Samsung keyboard setting, so scroll down and click on swipe touch and feedback. So after click on swipe touch and feedback, so click on touch feedback. So after click on touch feedback, you will see character preview is here. So if you want to disable character preview, so turn off this button. So after turn off this button, you will see character preview is disabled. So if you want to enable character preview, so turn on this button. So after turn on this button, you will see character preview is enabled. So you will enable or disable character preview from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can enable or disable keyboard character preview on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.